morning, ES.
Morning.
Ugh. What a gentleman. Oh, God. I feel like we're going to go lower here today, but we will see. What's your bias today, ES? What are you doing? Up or down? Where are we going? Maybe we sweep out. Took a short just before market open. It's bold. On a funded account or an eval? I think it's scary to trade the first couple minutes of open. Oh Lord. Top step eval, I gotcha. Did you take profits or no? Is what? That was like 20 points? I think we should be going lower too. I'm just wondering if we come up first, take out the data high. Took 400, nice. I actually got to see what I got for my account. Oops. So I need like $800 more to pass these. So I only need like 2 contracts. I think I switched that yesterday. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, that one still has 3. Yeah. Waiting for rejection on the top. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, we just had a fat climb up overnight again. Actually, not really. Going back to where we were. A little bit higher. I think technically I need 1R for a payout, but I'm not taking it if I do get it. Ooh.
Started holding it for the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm trying to just get 5R in a row. Or not in a row, but 5 more R from here. 52,000. Actually, no. I need like 2R because 52,000 for would be I'll be like 52,500 or something. You need 600, but yeah, I'm just trying to hold anyways. So what's going on? Skis, Seco skis. Damn. What's damn? Oh, right up to fucking the data highs, and then rejected. Didn't expect it to reach the high. That's what I was thinking we were gonna take the high and then reverse, but we will see. I don't know the stats on it, but I have seen people say like basically more likely than not, if it creates like a big wick, you're gonna at least come up and like retouch it in the same day. Like if it's like on like news candles or whatever, you're normally gonna come back and touch like the data high. I don't know how scientific that is, but yeah, take it with a grain of salt. I don't know if we go retest this too, but I think we're going lower anyways. Oh, what time's our movie tonight?
6:30ish.
What did he say we should be watching something before this?
What movie are we seeing?
Thunderbolt?
Watch like TV shows.
Oh, I'm not watching fucking TV shows.
Yeah, exactly.
There might be a juicy short setup. Uh, I mean, depending on how you trade, maybe. Ugh, starting to get more text about fucking wedding shit for Grant. Like, I'm not ready.
Wedding shit you have to do.
Well, like, this isn't from Grant. This is like other people who are going, and they're just like talking about like renting an Airbnb or something because it's like for the weekend or something. So stupid, dude. I swear. If I fucking rent the Airbnb and he gets divorced within the first 5 years, I want my money back. We going down? You're eager. Maybe, yeah. Wow, good call out. Good call out. We might go down. Just in a little bit, though. Yes, right. Not right now. just wait for a setup, man. Been trading like a dumbass the last few days. What does trading like a dumbass entail? Like, what are you doing? Do you have a setup? Like, do you know, like, you have a setup, or you just trade on intuition? Taking low probability trades?
Is it only low probability because you lost?
That's a good question, too. Like, what's the strat? I got like two setups. Like two or two? I feel like it should be pretty specific. I don't know if I like the idea of multiple setups, especially like early on, or like when you're trying to find profitability. Seems like a lot to manage. Like it took us long enough, like friggin' critiquing just our one strategy. Never mind if we had another one. Low probability because it didn't match my rules. Then why did you take it? I know that's the $1,000,000 question, but we're holding up in this fair value gap here. Because I was tilted? From what? Losing a good trade? Or tilted from not taking any trades? Having a bad day when FOMC came? A bad day because you were not following your trades already, or a bad day because the trades that you plan to take that follow your rules lost? Your 15-minute range is set. It is officially set. Shouldn't have traded. Volume was too low for my usual 20 points. Two trades, few ticks away from hitting TP. Sucks, but I'm over it. Yeah, I mean, it's impossible to like help anybody because it really is just like you do dumb shit until you don't do dumb shit anymore. And then after that, you can finally like start working on your strategy. That's like basically what it comes down to. It's like, oh, I sucks. I know I shouldn't do this, and then it's like, well, I can't be like, well, don't do that because it doesn't fucking work. So it's just until you decide that you don't want to do it anymore, and then if that day ever comes. I know I said I wanted to see us go down, Johnny, but sort of build
Yeah.
out a flag here. Video shooting up. Guessing if we do go higher, before we go higher, we're gonna pull back to like the 35s. That's my guess. The EMA on the 2 minute.
It's been loving these time frames now.
I'm just switching, looking through a little bit. I don't know. It's just nice to like. A lot of times it's like, oh, like it rips through the 1 minute, or not rips through, but like they'll push through the 1 minute and then just like bounce directly off the two. And sometimes I like the idea of like having it pull back and like retest on there. It makes me feel a little bit better that we're not going to pull back any further if we were going to push up yet. But realistically, if we come down below like the 45s or whatever, and then push higher, I'd probably be getting in. Maybe we don't get it. Maybe we just push higher first. Well, no trap. See, this is where I'm supposed to go on tilt because this happened to me, and woe is me. NQ strong today. NQ strong fucking this month. I mean, we've just been ripping. We had like everybody thought like the market was gonna crash and like Trump was the worst person of all time. When was that? That was beginning of April. We're just dumping and we've literally just been like fucking ripping ever since.
Well, he made some like tariff deal with China.
Shocking. You mean the tariffs were just for a deal, and we had
Yeah,
to sit
where
through
now it's
1
like
week of drawdown? Shocking.
I think it's
Before
something
they
like
reached the
the
agreement.
old tariffs were like 125% or something like that, and then now they're like 10%, and then ours was like 160,000, and now they're gonna be down to 30%,
Ugh.
something like that.
Who would have thunk? My overall bias is long until 22,600. What is that? 22,600. What? That's all time highs. But ripping through without taking lows is nice. Why 600 specifically? If highs are at 400. Oh, I'm on the E. Wait, what? We have different charts. I mean, this is NQ. I just switched to the daily to see 22,600. But weekly, the high is 22,600. This house is a fucking party, I swear. Every day. But no, technically, yes, it's 5 more R now. Because I made an R yesterday, so. And then I gotta wait for Johnny anyways, so it'll be another 6 months. Because it doesn't feel like YOLOing Apex evals at the open.
Just want to take normal trades.
Fucking an Apex eval, just YOLO at the open. Oh, you're just, bullish. You and Johnny start simultaneously with trading?
Pretty much.
Yeah, he was out of work.
But we weren't trading until you were out. Eh,
That's not true.
close though.
Yeah, maybe like a month went by, and he was like already done, or he had already been laid off from work for a couple months, but I was still working, and I would just like trade, fucking on my break or something like that, or fucking I just go to the bathroom at the 9:30 open and see if I could take some degenerate trade on Robinhood options, and then I quit my job like a month after. So I mean, pretty much like the same timeline. How goes the trader back test? How are you doing on the week? Did you get long today at all? Because if you did, congratulations. Started with a friend too, but he ditched me, so you were lucky to have a good friend. A good friend? I don't know if I'd classify Jody as a good friend. He's just, I think he would kill himself if he quit and then he saw like a year later that, or a year or two later that, uh, I was actually making money and he was stuck doing slave work at electrical. Nothing for you? Yeah, I feel that. Just waiting. Really? Your setup hasn't presented itself in this bullshit? Who wouldn't, to be honest? People don't, though. I mean, like, well, then again, we haven't really made any money yet. Or not much. But, I don't know, people in our lives know that we trade and they don't seem like they want to learn it at all. But, yeah, I guess it's different if you're already, like, making money, or if, like, you have proof of, like, making money, I guess. It has, but it didn't come back for my entry. I gotcha. Because I'm still poor. Yeah, like, what is the. How much would people need to be like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna do what that guy does because he did it, and that's way better than my job. Like, he only has to work an hour and a half a day. How much would you need? Like, say, even if you made 60K a year trading, would that be enough for you to be like, all right, I gotta fucking quit my job and figure out how to do this shit? Or no? Do I need a Lambo first? Anything to weigh in here, Johnny, or no? You just gonna sit here? He's not even here.
No, I am here.
This guy, oh my God, you are the worst. You're the worst. I should literally not even join the Discord. I don't even know that you're here because you never talk.
I'm waiting. You just said, oh, there's no trade set up, so we're just waiting.
Yeah, and then
That's
I'm
what I'm doing.
talking and you literally don't speak ever.
Because you
Kid's
were
like,
saying
kid's like, honestly, I should stream. He says all I should stream the video games, but I'd be huge by now. Yeah, it'd be a silent stream
What?
the entire time.
I said if you started like years ago.
Yeah, great. So you can sit there and do nothing. Because you're still six figures, I would be happy with 30K. All depends on one another's. I don't know. If you told somebody you made 30K from trading, I don't think they'd quit their fucking job. Or, like, care enough. I think you have to, like, I don't know about six figures. Like, if you told your friend for 1 year you made six figures trading, would they quit their job? Or, like, be like, man, I gotta start doing this? I don't think so. I think you either, like, I don't know, you either want it or you don't want it, I guess. I feel like it doesn't really matter how much people are making. Like, even if I was still working and I saw two of my friends that were sitting there and like, we're making this work, then I'd be like, alright, what am I doing? Why am I still working? And these guys are trying to do this shit by themselves. Like, they don't
It's more
want a
like just being
boss.
having a goal orientation than like the money itself, I guess. It's just
I
like
guess.
you go to work, you just feel like a bum because you don't use your brain at all, and your job sucks, and then you
And, like,
just go,
you're
and then
strictly tied to, like, hourly rather than, like, completion or anything like that. It's like, oh, great. You did a great job. Your work nice. Any other stuff. And then it's like, well, you still get paid the same as everybody else because you were here for the same amount of time. And you're like, oh,
they're
so
just
there's,
doing slavery.
yeah, so you're like, all right, so there's no incentive. You really have to hate your 9 to 5 from your heart. That is true. Me and Johnny definitely had that in common. I trade 20 minutes a day, brother. Come on. Fucking location freedom. I mean, yeah, that's a. I mean, I guess more people would do it if they actually hated their job or something. Or actually, I don't know, because I feel like most people do hate their jobs. I just don't know if they're too lazy. Because realistically, you can be
I
like the
feel like it's
laziest person
laziness.
alive and work 40 hours a week. It's like I was lazy as shit, even though I worked like 40 plus hours a week. Because it's like people are like the good, honest, hardworking man. It's like it's so easy to show up and make money at a job. Like I just failed. I was still have to be in the UK. I just failed school, so I had to work warehouse.
I don't think it's laziness as much as just like not believing in the stuff that you're seeing that it's like possible.
Okay, so
'Cause everyone just
by
like
that logic, then, and every person who knew us saying
they
like
still don't believe it. That's what I'm saying.
right,
Like,
but what if I move out and I'm living and I say, oh no, I'm living just off my trading.
well, then I guess like people would start believing, but it's just because they
Right,
just don't
but then
see it.
they still wouldn't quit their job and try it. They'd just be like, oh, that's nice. God, what is this fucking chart? Walker spitting no facts. Feels bad.
Well, every single time you talk to someone, you're like, "Oh, I'm trading." They're like, "You can't do that. That's not a real job."
Yeah, you just go out and gamble every day. I'm like, ah. And I'm like trying to explain it. Do you people ever try to explain it or no? Or you just leave it at that? Like if people ever ask you any questions on it? 'Cause I feel like it's very hard to explain. But not like hard to explain, but it's just especially like creating prop firms and then like people don't understand that either. God, we are literally just fucking ripping. I won't even tell them I trade. As soon as I move country, they understood it's real. Yeah, That's true.
That's what I'm saying. Just no one actually believes it's possible.
Just tell them you have a business. Yeah, I'm like, I have a business. I'm losing money every day, but you know, it's a business. I mean, swing trade targeting the highs. The highs of what? Fucking all time? We're getting up. Like, is this what are you targeting the 22,400s? God, we are fucking ripping.
Which, to be fair, it makes sense why people don't believe that it's possible, because if you really think about it, it's like, how much money have we made in 2 years versus our normal job? Not a lot of people want to sacrifice that much. Like,
Right, but 2 years is so like it's like okay, I didn't make any money from ages 23 to 25, and then it's like and now for the rest of my life I can go where I want to. Seems like a fair trade off, but people are like delusional of like, oh, it's gonna be a month. They think a month is a long time, but also it's because people are so poor that they can't afford to take more than 2 days off of work. So, not working for 2 years. Realistically, you could get a night job and still do this, but. Oz. Try to prop firm account first time after using live. Pass a two-step eval, only 10k account. Just wanted to dip my toes in the water. So you're a Forex guy. Get away from Forex, I swear. All the prop firms are sketchy and gay and more expensive with less leverage. You might as well trade your own cash account. I'm a professional scammer, buy course. Oh yeah, congratulations too. My bad, I forgot to say congratulations. But I don't know. Forex just seems so dog shit. Please don't say gay. Why does that offend you? Trader back test. It's a bad word, yeah. Oh, my bad. I know you're really sensitive to all those bad words. Trader. Oh, hello, 12. Have you taken anything on this bullshit or no? I got banned on TikTok for saying gay. Wait a minute, Trader Backtest, why do you spell out gay if you could just fucking type it regularly? You did take a trade? I hope it was a long, because otherwise you're fucked. Three a.m. long. Alright, that doesn't even fucking count. What was that 3 a.m.? Jesus. What, targeting like these? I'm about to sweep your liquidity if you keep carrying on, Mikey. Yeah. Okay. I hate days like this. 853 to 994. Is that 2R for you? I thought you said you were gonna fucking do 2R ones. 853 to what? 994? Jesus fuck. What, did they take you out right before news? You just know some retard made some bank today? Yeah, just buy it open and hold. Yeah. I mean, that's been true for a while. I mean, it's basically been straight green since the 22nd of April. But yeah, in particular this last couple days. I know, but it was lower risk. But why don't you just put more risk on and then shoot for less? You know what I mean? Like, just shoot for a fucking 2R, but then put, like, 4 contracts on instead of 2. Any trades today? No. The only thing I was looking at was this flag here. But I just wanted it to sweep here, which it didn't. Or here, which it didn't. It didn't do it on ES either, so... I stayed out of it, and it would have been the easiest long of my life. Alright, from here, fucking 120 points, even though I only go for 20, so it doesn't matter, but still. You took a short into the long? Which I'm in heavy there, so I was up already, so I risk profits to let it go. Isn't that trading your P&L then, though, 12? It's like, because you're like, oh, I'm already up this amount, so I'll just risk this amount, or like, I'm already green, so like should you treat every trade as an individual? Like, even if you're back testing, which you do a shit ton of, like, you're risking the same amount on every trade. Just got a 1.5 R. Oh, nice, 15 points. I don't I don't remember exactly how you trade. Is it off of like this imbalance here or something? This little like gap in between here and it came back down or something? Do you ever trade inverted head and shoulders? I'm honestly not like a. I don't know any of those patterns. I just like trade flags, but I don't know like I don't even know what a head and shoulders really is. I don't trade any of like
It's like
the
a big M, but with 3 hubs.
big M.
It's just like, it's like a little, like it goes up, comes up a little bit higher, and then it comes up a little bit lower, and then it drops. It's like I don't know, like a 3 peaks, but the middle one's the highest or the lowest if it's going
And then it's
short.
supposed to go up or low, or higher or lower after that.
I think lower.
Oh
Well, if
yeah,
it's
it's
like,
supposed to it's a reversal pattern. Is this not a head and shoulder? So it's like the push up. Here's one shoulder, comes up, hits the head, pushes up, another shoulder. Isn't that supposed to dump? Or is that
we
not? Is
haven't
that not a clean right shoulder?
we haven't seen one really.
Remember when I said I would short? Yeah, ES. I don't think you could have been more wrong. We've literally been green since the second candle of the day, since open. Now it's up 1200, so I risked like 200 of that, which is fine with, and I woke up to TP. I guess I just feel like you should risk the same every time. It's a reversal pattern. The middle is the sweep. Higher actually. Oh, what is this? I heard that shitting on your computer speeds up the candles. I don't even know what that means, Zabe, but okay. Good luck with that. It's not Cleveland, bro. It's coming. Let me see. What's the Discord? What? So that's the shoulder. That's your head. That's your other shoulder, and then it goes. I feel like that's hard to trade. I would just take the fucking bear flag that's right here. It's that easy. Actually, no, I wouldn't because it didn't take unless it did on ES, but I understand. Dude. I mean, this is a great time here. Jesus Christ. Rocking this thing, give us something. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It gets to the point where it just keeps getting further and further away from the EMA. So if it even does pull back, I don't even like to take the flag. Like I don't know. Like this day is already fucking cooked for me. It's easy. You just put your stop loss under the head. I guess. Well, the technical entry is the break of the high. Reset and long. Oh. Seems like a lot of effort. I'd rather just drop my one line. This is craziness, though. We've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles since 9:50. Oh, 7.
Craziness.
Just trade blind and hope for the best at this point. This is why everybody is unfrappable, I swear. Yeah, I'll get long right here. This is the pullback. There's my 8. There's my 20 points. Let's see what happens. I feel like this is what people do, though. Honestly, they're like, "Oh, it's been going up the whole time, and I'm missing out. I have to get long, even though I know it doesn't work because I did that the past 50 days in a row, and I blew my account every time." Disrespecting the fair value gap. Which one? There's friggin' a million of them. Full port, yeah. Just become a degenerate. Like, I don't understand fair value. Like, so what? There's a fucking fair value gap every candle at this point. Like, if you go to like a bigger time frame, and even not. Like, is that whole thing a fair value gap? This is a fair value gap. Like there's just so many. Uh-oh.
I mean, uh-oh.
I gotta lose my trade. I took a log. Of course it pulls back now. I had
Why would you
FOMO.
take a log there?
Because some guy said just enter randomly. I swear that's what people do though. They're like, it's been ripping up all day. Like, alright, fine, I'm finally getting in. And then this happens. I don't know what Sibi is. Sibi are stronger at the top. Bissy stronger at the bottom. You want to trade fair value gap from top or bottom depending on sell or buy. What is Sibi and Bissy? Oh, is that buy side and sell? No, buy side and what is Sibi? I'm assuming Bissy is buy side, but what is Sibi? I have no idea. It's over. No, we're still holding on. We're going up. Don't you worry. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. What are these mumbo jumbo words that everybody knows? Told you, bro, just go blind. Yeah, that would have worked out real well. I would have been in profit so far for 1 second for about 2 ticks. Johnny, do you take into consideration sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies when you're entering your trades?
Bro, I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about.
I don't know. People just say a bunch of fucking mumbo jumbo, I swear. They just make up stuff. It's like the chart goes up and down, and then there's just so much terminology for a bunch of bullshit, I swear. Hold on, Oz, maybe you're right. I'm almost out of drawdown. Uh-oh. It's looking pretty wicky there, Oz. I'm getting worried.
Ooh, we got some thumbs down.
What's up?
We got them some thumbs down for the game tomorrow.
Oh, do we? I forgot I sent it in.
Did you like it?
No.
So we got 12 so far.
11? Or did you? Oh, did you just like it?
Well, I just liked it.
Jackson, no, and McAvoy's a no. I
So,
don't. Danny said he's not sure for Wednesdays, so he could be a no. Hold
you
on.
just like,
Hold on,
I was like,
Oz.
Tommy, what happened? I thought you were pitching, and he's just like, dude, I don't know, Tommy. Danny just fucking took it. I'm like, what? I'm like, what's happening?
I don't know.
Dude, don't stick me at shortstop. I played so bad at short.
I played short for like all 4 innings that I went out there, and I didn't make one throw to first base. I think I made 3 or 4 outs, and literally every single one was just a ground ball to me, and I just flipped to second. Bro hates he didn't take that trade. Oh, I am furious, Oz. I didn't completely not follow my plan, and it fucking ended up working out. Man, what a shame. I deserve today. I'm gonna go on tilt because I missed it. That would have put me 4R away. Yes, 4R. Sucks to be you, right? Yeah, I'm a big fat loser. Yeah, sometimes, bro, don't let the market know your next move. Hey, who knows? I still wouldn't have won yet. Uh-oh, Oz. Yeah, just exit early. Thank God you got lucky. What do you trade, Oz? What is your strategy? You sound like an ICT guy based on your sell side and balance, buy side and efficiency line. But yeah, I want some eggs. I'm hungry. Uh-oh, Oz. This isn't good. Let's see. Yeah, I studied a bit of him. He speaks facts, but a lot of waffle. I found a high win rate in New York reversal from London and weekly bias. I know it sounds boring, but it works. I mean, it's trading. Everything sounds boring now. Are you profitable? And then tell me your definition of profitability, because apparently everybody has different uh, different views on what the word profitability means, which is a little strange. So you have to ask somebody if they're profitable, then you have to ask what they mean by that. Uh oh. Definition is at least 2x on what you've invested overall personally.
I
Okay.
don't hate that.
I don't hate that either. Not my definition, but I don't hate that. And so, are you profitable by your definition? Fuck, Oz, I would have lost. Son of a bitch. The one time I get long, the market pulls back.
The market out to get.
Yep. Now I gotta blow my whole account. Like, when you just, like, make fun of what people do, what people actually do, it does seem like they're all dummies. Because that is what people do. By the skin of my teeth. Okay, so you're like, you're just starting to figure it out then. I feel I'm in the same boat as that. Like, I got it. I just, like, need the days to go by so I can make some more money to really get over the hump. But I just deem it as living on your, like, living basing off your trading. Like, trading's your only income. Or not like your only income, but like, I don't know. If you have like a regular job, I don't consider yourself a profitable trader. Because if you were a profitable trader, you wouldn't need a regular job. So basically, like, living off of your trading is what I deem as profitable. Yeah, I don't actually do that, by the way. I hope you're not. Okay, yeah, I figured you were just for. I have to get better at executing. I gotcha. I mean, we're flagging here, Johnny, and we had our trap. Just on days like today, it's sometimes it's hard to get long up here, but still really far away on the 2 minute EMA. But it makes sense because we've been fucking dragging. Yeah. So you're profitable based on your logic? You're talking to me, 12? Or no, you must be talking to, yeah, you must be talking to her. I was going to say, you know the situation for me. You taking it? If it comes up to it, I'm taking it. Yeah. Assuming we don't, like, chop here forever or something, I don't know. Based on information right now, I'm taking it if it pushes up to it. see. Let's see if we get this push up here. Market's been pushing higher all day. If it wants to push higher, I'll let it. I'll follow her, even all the way at the top. Kind of chopping here right now. She trying to trap me right now? I don't know. I don't know. Bro, what are we doing here?
Order submitted. Order filled.
We'll see. Maybe a little premature, I don't know. I mean, I waited for a while. Yep. Trapped. Trapped like a bitch.
Big old trap.
Stop filled.
Yep. Top tick that bitch. Bro, I tried to tell you. What do you mean? I don't fucking care what you say. I'm gonna take a trade that I want to take. I don't care. They have to have a violent push up. Maybe for your criteria. My criteria, that fit. I don't care. I would have been more mad at myself if I didn't take that trade and it went up without me. I wasn't even looking at chat either. I was watching the chart. I was just waiting and seeing. Fuck. Son of a bitch. Did you take that too or no?
Yep. I just can't get up in these Apex accounts.
Uh,
They just sit at 50,000.
I don't know if I should have waited. Like my thing on that one, I was debating. I was like, maybe I should wait for like a push above like those choppy candles it made right before it, and I mean they pushed up basically right to them and then reversed. So could have waited an extra second, but to see, oh well.
That's
Oh, it's just crazy to cut like. It's just That's why I don't believe most people are profitable. Cause like, bro, you didn't listen to me. It's like, why would I listen to some random dude who comes in? You know what I mean?
Because you lost, and has
Right,
to be
right,
smarter than
right.
you.
That's how it goes. Like you lost, and I knew it was gonna go down. It's like, well,
Based off
that's
no
trading.
incentives, or no confluences. It's just I thought it, so then and it was right, so I made a 50-50 chance.
Like, what happens if it comes over and pushes up from here? It just rips right up now into which it honestly might.
It is like funny what people think.
I honestly kind of want to enter on this. See, this is what I'm talking about. Waiting for the 2 minute, the 2 minute, because I mean that's basically what that just did. Just pulled down right to the 2 minute, bounced right off of it, coming back up, and I mean this is basically a trap below the 10:30 candle. IFVG, AJ talking about that. What did it just? It just did IFVG or no? I did say it pushed lower before I spike up for liquidity. Well, yeah, that's what I counted the 10:30 wick as. That was my trap lower, which I wanted, and then I wanted my push up. It just didn't pan out. I thought it was going to. I got you. Oh, what? Like this here? Oops. You thought I was gonna like reverse through that or push up through that or whatever. When he does it all have to be in one candle? Or like if this closed above, like here or whatever. I can close over multiple candles, but it's better if it's less because that shows momentum. Yeah, that makes sense. Then he goes B at the nearest swing high or equal highs. So let's say this closed right here at the top of that. He would go break even like here. I like this guy or something. No, you're good, Oz. You just have to like see it from my. I'm just showing you from like my perspective of like. I mean, hindsight's always better, but like, or like you weren't saying in hindsight, realistically, but it's just, I don't know. That's my trade. Some setups are better than others, but it was one that I was comfortable getting into and taking the loss on. You know what I mean? Six months ago. Yeah, yeah, exactly. See, you go to this 2 minute, it's enticing me though.
filled.
Enough that I'll try it again.
Getting back in.
Yep. I think we got trapped, so let's see. Look good on the 2 minute. That was your trap. Bounce off EMA. Strong push up.
I hope this works out.
Revenge trading? This is not revenge trading, I can assure you.
He's so tilted that he lost. He's only gonna revenge trade if he loses this one.
Now, if I lose this, I'm done. I can only take 2 losses, but I like it. It's literally the exact same set. Like, it's 2 touch points, trap below, bounce off EMA, push up. Strong push up. Like, that's nothing wrong with taking this trade, I can assure you. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out, but it sucks. Obviously, I wanted to, but
Because he cares so much about his P&L, he can't see red. He has to get back to green.
yeah. I'm terrible at accepting losses. The absolute worst. We're in that 1050 macro, as the kids say, too, right?
What?
Like, the last, like, hour, or last, like, 10 minutes and first 10 minutes, it's like a 20-minute macro. It's like a, where, like, price is supposed to displace or something like that. Come on, get up there.
Target filled.
Just like that, we made it back.
P&L trader.
Yeah. Damn it. Done $28 on the day from stupid slippage and commissions. Oh, see, I didn't even read that 12. I know 2 trades and yeah, so 1050 macro. I didn't even read you. I didn't even read that you said that. I was saying that. That's how much of an ICT trading guy I am. Actually, happy for you. Not gonna lie, LMAO. Those 1Rs are terrible to lose with. I'm just so used to it. Like, it's all what you're used to. Like, you're used to like the big RRs, so it sucks for like. But like, it's just the game that I've been playing for the past fucking however long it's been. Friggin' how long have we been trading flags? Like 8 months or something like that. It's like, this is just the game I play, so I'm just so used to it. Now, in hindsight, do I look back and go, okay, there's your strong push up, and I should only be getting in on strong push ups? I don't know. That's something I gotta analyze. But because the other one, realistically, we were chopping there, and then I ended up getting in, obviously, but I don't hate that trade because I thought we were going higher. We were. I just got fucking trapped. I thought just because I know it determines your personal life and shit. So it's like you it's gonna set you back when it feels like 8 months per loss. Don't I know it? Like uh, if I lost that one, I would have been on 2R. I would have needed to make what 7R. No, I still need 5. Well, Katoza, Kazoda. Fucking take another one? No, no. Just because I fucking got back-to-back trades does not mean I'm a degenerate. And this is what the setup was there. I do that. I've done that many of times. Where like I get in, I get trapped, and then I just enter back on the next push up after it like after it makes the trap again, and it's still a nice flag setup. Like if you look at that, it's like that. I mean, what I took on the 2 minute, it's like this was the 1 minute. It's like same thing, comes down, trap, pushes up, I get in, and then like right off the EMA, and then same thing happens on the 2 minute. 1 touch point, 2 touch point, comes down, traps below here, stays above the EMA, rips higher. Do you journal your trades before and afters? No, I don't. I have a calendar. I just write like +1R, -1R. So like today I'll just write -1R, +1R. It's just like this. Like that's all I do, or that's what it looks like. And then at the end, or on Saturday, I just write like what I made for the week. Good to see you winning, mate. I appreciate it, Oz. I think I need to trade more flags. Don't change your strategy. Didn't you just say you made like 40K or something, Oz? You should do before, afters. Just make a channel in your Discord and post it. It's easy.
Everyone wants you to make a Discord.
So you can reflect on your setups. Well, that's just what like people in the trading space do. They all fucking make Discords. It's just how it goes. 20K, I'm at 40K. Yeah, that's why. Isn't that what I said? You made 40K? Or you're saying you made 20K in profit? Or something. Like you spent 20K? I'm saying that when you... I'm saying the one that you have with your friend? Yeah, but like the thing is, I don't even need to make it because I can scroll back through every day pretty much. Like I can go to every day and tell you what trade I took. I'm more of like a just like learn as I go. I don't really like. It's just like, oh, I've gotten burned on this so many times. I don't do it anymore. 20K. I'm at 40K. Made 20K profit. Yeah, you made 20K profit. So why would you want to take more? Why would you want to trade flags if you're finally started figuring something out that worked? Did you end up getting back in there, Johnny, or no?
No, I only took the first one. Just want to save my P&L.
Yeah, smart though. You didn't revenge trade like me.
Yep.
Multiple trades, more money, I guess. I mean, realistically, 2 trades in a day for me is crazy. Like, the last time I took 2 trades in a day was April 16th. Like, it doesn't give me signals, please. Yeah, okay. Okay, 12. Like, I realistically never take 2 trades. Like, this month, how many days has it been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, and 2 of them were today, so. It's like, I'm not taking a shit ton of trades. Weekly bias trades super difficult to execute. Well, clearly you're doing good at it if you're up 20K. This month just 1? Oh, Jesus. Made police fire signals. Yeah, I'll teach you the inverse fair value gap 12 if you want, you know? If you don't want to learn it from AJ. I know it better than him anyways. He stole my strat. How much you leveraged up then, Oz, when you do take them? You must leverage pretty heavy then, right? If it's very rare. So yeah, maybe flag need to be added. Yeah, but I get a commission on every winner that you take though. That's the rule. I trade Forex, so it's not the same. Maybe futures is the way. Dude, Forex is gay, I'm telling you. The prop firms are all gay. Like, it's just. If you want to trade like your own broker and stuff, it's fucking not centralized, so everybody has like different spreads. It's all a bunch of bullshit. And like a different price and everything. It just seems more sketchy and scammy. The whole thing is gay unless it makes me money. Yeah, I guess, but futures is better for taxes if you trade like your own cash account, which I think you said you were trading props, but still. All right, let me do my daily dollar and then I'll get the fuck out of here.
I haven't done my daily dollar today yet.
Let me close out of here. Yeah. Kill zones are better on futures. I don't really know what kill zones are, but sure. Listen to 12. GeoGuessr round real quick. I'll do a round of GeoGuessr. No, according to the government, I make just under the amount, so I don't get taxed. Wink, wink. I mean, realistically, I made like 7K in payouts last year. I didn't file for taxes. They can come get me over 7 grand. I don't fucking give a shit. You trade them 9 to 11. That's a kill zone. Dude, I hate ICT. It's just the market open 12. I can't be bothered, I swear. What is the other kill zone fucking London open at 3? In London it's 12K until tax. Oh, you can make 12K and you don't get taxed on it? It's a time price move? Yeah, because fucking the market just opens. That's why price moves. The fucking kill zones. I can't be bothered. Alright, here we go. 15 out of 10. 23. Alright, GG's. Fuck. Let me go to my fake money just to see if I split it up into 2 hands.
How much Delta dollars do you have?
30K. Alright, I would have lost both hands anyways. Alright, that's fine. Silver Bullet is really good trade, by the way. Some ICT lingo that I don't know. I've heard of it, but I have no idea what it is.
Alright, let me do my daily dollar.
Oh boy.
I'll let you know how I do. The dollar. We got a 15 on an 8 and 21. Alright, we're betting $2. We got a 20 on a 7. We won. Go back to $1. Oh, we got 3s. 2 3s on a 2. Would you split 2 3s on a 2?
2 3s on a 2? Yeah, fuck it. Split it.
Oh, we got an 11. So we're gonna double. Okay, we got a 12. And we got a 13. We're gonna stand on both, and
Oh,
we lost. There goes $3.
no. Alright, that's unlucky. All right, people.
And, oh,
I'm out of here.
I lost the other.
Peace out. Don't be dumb.